Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax returns using ITR. Start by gathering Form 16, Form 26 as bank statements and investment proofs before you log in. Next, pick the correct ITR form for your income type and fill personal and income details carefully. Double-check tax credits, deductions, and bank account for refunds. Finally, verify and e-verify the return to complete filing and receive confirmation from the portal. Before you begin filing, organize all documents like Form 16, interest certificates, and investment proofs in one folder. Match TDS entries on Form 26 as with Form 16 to spot discrepancies early. Calculate deductions using section limits and declare exempt income properly. Scan or save digital copies of proofs to upload if required. This preparation saves time and reduces errors, while entering details on the ITR portal during filing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tax videos. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long filing sessions with the Oala water bottle for leak-proof sipping and easy one-handed use. It makes those late-night calculations more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to grab one if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Log into the ITR portal and select the proper ITR form for your tax situation. Enter personal, income, and deduction details carefully, then compute tax and pay any balance before submission. Review the preview for accuracy and resolve mismatches with Form 26 as or bank records. Save the generated XML or use the portal submit option, then complete e-verification using Aadhaar OTP, net banking, or EVC to finalize your filing and track status.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.